Natural Synergy is a program created to teach users the ancient healing art of acupressure and how this art is utilized to treat diseases, restores one's health, and to maintain wellness. Acupressure has been researched and summarized into an easy-to-understand program by Emily J. Park, along with Dr. Lin Xiaoxi. Regardless of your education level, users now have the ability to practice acupressure on themselves to attain their health goals. The relevant points of acupressure in traditional Chinese medicine have been incorporated into this program to ensure that this type of healing art can be taught to anyone in the world. What will you learn from Natural Synergy? There are many points of value you will learn from the Natural Synergy program, including this program aims to provide the user with relaxation while also balancing their body with smart energy levels and maintaining their healthiness. Natural Synergy utilizes the unique acupressure medical care that, when used correctly, should improve the user's health and heart issues. It will improve the user's overall health and enhance their standard of life. This program will eliminate the user's negative feelings and reduce their emotional issues. It can relieve inflammatory issues and help to reduce the user's stubborn body fat. It will relax your back muscles. Natural Synergy pros and cons. There are numerous advantages to the Natural Synergy program. Learning the pros and cons can help you make a better decision when considering purchasing this product. Pros. Does not need any prior experience in medication or as acupressure professional. Safe to use. No known side effects. This program is available at a very affordable cost. When followed completely, the Natural Synergy program can improve your health and wellness and promote longevity. Comes as a simple-to-comprehend program. Relieves symptoms such as stress, nausea, and depression. Is highly efficient and user-friendly. Comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Comes with bonus material at no extra cost. Cons. Not available in hard copy, only in a digital or online format. Why should we trust this product? Natural Synergy Cure is the most popular product which would help patients across the globe to heal various diseases which affects their health. Emily Parker has vast experience when it comes to ancient medicines, which indicates the level of expertise which she possesses in the medical field. The need to have quality natural health across the globe has been on the rise, thus making Natural Synergy Cure be the most reliable ancient way of healing diseases. In addition to that, the product heals more than 91% of the diseases, thus creating confidence to many patients across the globe. Through this product, it has helped many people to cure different diseases and thus restoring their natural balance in the body.